What the heck is going on in the Sarasota Manatee real estate market? Hey, it's Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. Each and every month, bring you a month over month and year over year view of how the Sarasota Manatee real estate markets are behaving. And to do that, we use 9 key metrics, vital signs, if you will, of the market here. And we break them down color-coded into what trends are moving in favor of buyers, what trends are moving in favor of sellers. And stay tuned until the end. We'll tell you exactly how to use this data to your advantage if you plan on making a move in 2026 or beyond. So let's get into the data. So we'll start with since it's pretty simple, there's only 2 metrics that moved in favor of sellers. So we're going to start there. Beginning with new listings kind of falling off a cliff in the month of November, down nearly 15% month over month. Now, kind of expected. That's what tends to happen as we get into the holiday season. But yeah, new listings down 15%. Market times split, but the median is down for the 3rd straight month, down 3.6% this month, while the average is up 7% month over month. So usually when that happens, there's 1 or 2 or maybe a few kind of laggards on the market that actually went under contract after a significant amount of time for sale, bringing the average up and not affecting the median as much. For the 6th straight month, closed sales down 6.8% this time, 1.6% drop last month. So we're continuing to watch a downward trajectory of closed sales in the Sarasota Manatee real estate market. Not surprisingly, along with that, purchase contracts down 6.9% this month. Now, interestingly, last month purchase contracts were up 5.8%, but you had contracts go up and closed sales go down. That usually spells one thing, in that there was a heck of a lot of contract fallout. And to me, as a professional, this is low-key the story of the 2025 market. Not interest rates, not supply. It's the percentage of contracts that don't reach the closing table. Typically, that can be explained, well, the main reasons given for contract fallout are typically either inspection related, finance related, or appraisal related, but behind the scenes, it's usually cold feet. Those are just excuses. But yeah, contract fallout led to increased contracts last month, but decreased closed sales this month, interestingly enough. Now, prices, average and median price. I'm going to caveat this only measures the 1,600 homes that closed in November compared to the 1,700 homes that closed in October. It's not indicative of values across the board, yet the median price fell by 2% month over month, average down 0.5% month over month. And then this last metric here, this is the median sold price to list price ratio, or as I call it, the leverage factor. And this measures the final close price compared to final asking price, not initial asking price, because we all know some homes have to come down in order to sell. But that number fell by 1%, which is a pretty decent drop when you're talking month over month. Now, year over year, what does this look like? So a little bit more green, at least one more green, moving in favor of sellers. New listings down 22+% year over year. Caveat there is, we all remember what happened in October of last year. It did disrupt the flow of real estate transactions. So a lot of would-be sellers did not list in September, October last year for obvious reasons and chose to hold off to November. So that did inflate the listings number quite a bit in November of 2024. But nonetheless, 22% less homes hit the market this November than last year. Don't have available homes from last year, so don't have a percentage. But purchase contracts, while down month over month, they are up 6% year over year. Closed sales, while down month over month, they are up 4% year over year. But check this out. The average and median price, again, with the caveat of this is only measured by the 1,500 homes that have sold in those particular months. But the ones that sold this year, 9.4% lower than the ones that sold last year on average. The median, 4% lower than the ones that sold last year. The leverage factor, 1.4% lower than this time last year. Market times, Average is 26% higher than this time last year. Median, 15% higher than this time last year. So there's some, metrics that move in favor of both buyers and sellers, yet the overall picture here is the market is more so favoring the buyers than the sellers. Now, how to use this data? If you do plan on making a move in 2026, make sure that you're aligned with somebody, a professional, multiple professionals that understand this data and understand how to use it to your advantage based on your goals. And if you don't have that person, happy to be a resource for you. And if you, again, this is a macro level look at 2 counties here, obviously a broad geographic stretch, yet if you want this broken out by your specific town, your neighborhood, your street, whatever, drop a comment. Happy to make reports like this for anybody. Love geeking out over the numbers. Thanks so much for watching. Again, Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you for the Sarasota Manatee Market in a Minute next year, 2026. Take care.